Hi guys! Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the G413 carbon keyboard from Logitech. Let's take a look at the keyboard inside. Whoa! A box in a box! Boxception. So in the box you have the actual keyboard itself, and it also comes with a set of extra keys which consists of your usual WASD and your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the buttons that you normally mash when you're playing games. The top case is made out of a lightweight aluminium alloy, and the keys are what Logitech calls their Roamer G switch. So if you want to find out more about this Roamer G switch, you can go to their website and read up on the story behind it. It also comes with adjustable height feet, so you can choose to either prop the keyboard up a little or lay it flat on your table. There's a USB port on the top right corner of the keyboard as well, so you probably can plug your mouse or your headset in here or charge your phone when you're using your computer. And the keyboard has built-in media controls for you. So the design is very sleek and quite minimalistic in a way, because it's literally just the keys and a base to put your keys on. So you know, normal keyboards always have extra stuff around it, like all the plastic frame or something like that, and a wrist pad maybe, but this one comes with none of that. It actually looks like one of those wireless keyboards or portable keyboards, except that it is pretty heavy considering it looks so simple. The keys are quite easy to press and not very noisy, which I like. Nobody wants extra noise, right, when you're trying to listen out for people trying to gank you from behind. The keys are backlit, but only in one color, which is red. So you have a very Darth Vader, Sith Lord-ish thing going on when you are using this keyboard. So that's all for today. Feel free to leave a comment below if you want us to review any other products. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!